Hey everyone, Monica and I would like to tell you about a wonderful resource that we have through the AHS library. It's called FactCite, and FactCite has a component called milestone documents, and those are primary sources for many different content areas. When you go to FactCite, you're going to put in the username, which is Albemarle HS, and the password is library. You're going to click log on. From there, you're going to go to milestone documents and click right there. As you can see, there are many different types of documents. So on all different contents and areas of the world. So if I was looking for something from world history to 1500 to the present, I could click on that, and here is a list of the resources that the database has from that. I can click on one, and what it will do is it will give me all resources based on the topic of new imperialism. So these are all of the primary sources that they have that coordinate with that topic. And then they have topics and events, so explanations of that time period. And then resources, so objectives, concepts, so lots of different types of activities for you to use with your students. So once I choose a resource that I want to use, so I'll choose Queen Victoria Proclamation Concerning India. I'm going to click on that. It gives me kind of a snapshot of information about the topic here. Then you can look down, it gives an overview, which will provide context for the students. And this gives a lot of great information in a summary format. It gives me the actual document right here. So this is what Queen Victoria's proclamation was. So I can scroll through there and look at that. Context about the author, an explanation and analysis of the document, the audience, the impact, study questions, a glossary, and further study. If you would like to use this resource or any other digital resource that we have as part of our library collection, please reach out and let Monica and Erica know, and we'd be happy to help you implement these with your classes. Thanks so much. Have a good day.